guys, thanks for watching the credit game. Wanted to share with you, man. I'm sitting here at the desk and thinking that part of this credit game university that we just got launched, and by the way, guys, I have an introductory price on this one because of the buzz and the amount of people that are actually getting in this because they want to learn how to do credit repair, how to get trade lines, how to get primary credit cards, where to go for primary credit cards, where to go for authorized users. But specifically, what I want to share with you guys is this. Inside the Credit Game University, I teach you how to get authorized users for free. So that's one thing that you want to know. And if you are ever going to purchase trade lines or credit repair again, we've got the vendors inside this platform that are phenomenal, okay? And they'll take great care of you, and you can actually still purchase through them at a massive discount. So they've given us authorization to be able to say, look, you know, if you're going to be using us as vendors, you know, we want to give a discount to your clients to make sure that they're in a safe place to, you know, still buy trade lines, still, you know, get the credit repair, the elite credit repair. You can all do this through the platform. But the platform that we put out is an education platform. It's proprietary methods that we have been using for the last 6 years that literally show you the actual method, the form, everything you need, right? And so what you do is just plug your information in. I give you literally like the whole setup, and then I walk you through each step to show you exactly what you do. Like, I mean, it's, when you see how easy it is, the stuff that I'm putting out, it's, I literally inside this platform as one of the videos, it's an 18-minute video where I'm like sharing with, like, here's your credit report, here's how you do it, here's how you fill it out, this is what you do here, this is where you circle, this is where you mail it to, here's the addresses, and literally all you're putting in is your name and you're putting your name, the account number, and you're putting the date on it, and that's it. And I show you where to send it, and I show you what has to happen. This is the important thing. A lot of people don't know this, okay? These aren't just templates. These are proprietary templates, okay? I don't even like to use the word template because people are like, template. It's not a template, okay? But what we've put together is proprietary. Why? Why have so many people came to us for credit repair? Because we know what we're doing. We know the law in which has to happen, okay, when you're dealing with the Fair Credit Reporting Act, okay, you have to know what you're doing. And these letters are designed to put out basically saying, look, you're going to remove this in a certain amount of time. And if you don't, you're violating the law here. And if you don't do it again, we're suing for damages. And if you don't do it again, we're going to a major lawsuit, okay? So again, it's just knowing the tricks of the trade to be able to remove stuff from credit reports. And so we've been phenomenal at doing and removing inaccurate negative information from people's credit reports for years, okay? And that's why I put the credit game together. Not, this university program isn't just for the regular people who are like, okay, you know, let me just download this little template. Like, you have no idea what you're doing. How would you like to know exactly not only how to get authorized users for free, what credit cards to apply for based on your credit score, okay? What credit bureaus they're pulling from so that you can leverage that. And then you're talking about the credit repair side. 76% of America or higher have something inaccurate on their credit report. I show you exactly how to attack that, the form to use, when to send it, where to send it, okay? Very important right here, guys. Pay attention to what I'm saying. Where to send it. You're not sending it to the credit bureaus. Okay? Get inside this platform. I'm telling you, this is the best investment, because once you make the investment in you, nobody can take that away. Why? Because then you can share it with your friends, family, coworkers, clients. You have all the information, proprietary information, right there in your email. In fact, when you join, we make sure we stay on the phone with you to make sure you receive the product. So you're on the phone with us? Okay, cool. I'm logging in. Okay, great. Now you've got the product in your email, and nobody can take that from you. By the way, if you ever want to buy trade lines, and if you ever want to buy credit repair, the vendors page, okay, not only do you get a good discount, so right now, one of our vendors is giving away free Equifax credit repair, free, okay? And she's also including inaccurate negative inquiries inside her platform, okay? So she's one of our vendors. On the trade line side, you're talking about a phenomenal company that's been doing this 11, 12 years, who has said, you know what, put me as a vendor. I'll take care of your clients since I know you're not doing the trade lines, but some people still want to buy trade lines. That's inside my platform. So I've put this amazing platform together for you guys to be able to access not only the education piece of it, okay, and this is just the associates, then it's going to bachelor's, master's, and PhD. But inside that, if you're like, hey, I just need a quick trade line or I need some credit repair done, maybe I want some elite credit repair, you can go to the vendors and have work done, okay? So they are proprietary in people, so that way, you know, you guys, this is a phenomenal program. Anyway, listen to this very carefully. I'm going to show you an exact verbiage, where to send stuff to. Here's the form you send. Here's how you do it. I mean, this is all step by step. And then I'm going to teach you how to get authorized users for free and give you the actual verbiage you want to use to get them. So, guys, 904-420-7772. It's 904-420-7772. I've got an introductory price on this right now that you don't want to miss. Because of how many people are actually calling in for it, you're going to want to get in now because the thing's going up almost to 3 times the price next week. I'm telling you that because people are like, that's it? Like, let me get in right now at that price. So give us a call right away. My guys are on the floor waiting for you guys. Let us help you out and let's change the world in credit. Okay? Thank you guys for watching The Credit Game. My name is Mike, as always. Take care.